I guess you all are familiar with cloud computing. Many videos and articles are out there in internet. So I'll not go into that. Rather, I'll tell you something about the cloud service model. So let's begin from the basics. After cloud computing became famous, many companies started providing cloud computing related services. So companies have specific business models to provide services. So what is a service model or business model? Service model is the way or mode of business by which a company generates income or revenue. Like how your mobile operator company works, what is their model of business? They sell you a plan where call charges, call limits, data bandwidth, download limit and speeds are specified. They charge you based on that. For prepaid users, you have to pay before, and for postpaid users, you will get a bill end of the month. It is their business model to get paid for their services. Similarly, in cloud computing business, companies have specific services to offer, and that is called service model. In cloud, there are three service models which are very popular. 1. Infrastructure as a service. 2. Platform as a service. 3. Software as a service. To understand it clearly, I am giving you a real life example. Suppose you want to go Jaipur from Delhi by road. You can have 4 choices then. The first choice is by your own car, where you are paying for the car maintenance and petrol and everything. After all, it's your car, so everything is on you. If I take this example to cloud, then this model is known as IT services on premise. This is the case of most universities and colleges. They have deployed their servers in their premises. The second choice is buy a rented car. You can easily rent a car from Zoom Car and drive it to Jaipur. In this case, you are paying for petrol and car rental services. The car is not yours, but you can still choose the car type. This model in cloud is known as IaaS or Infrastructure as a Service. Companies will provide the computers and network setup. Here you can choose the computer configurations like the amount of RAM, the processor type, etc. This is one of the service model in cloud. The third choice is buy a intercity cab or taxi. You can take that from Ola Cabs, and you can book Ola Cab from Delhi to Jaipur. In that case, you are paying for the rental service. The car is not yours and you are not driving. Still, you can choose the car type among the available ones. So burden is much less. This model in cloud is Platform as a Service or PaaS. Companies provide computer, network setup along with operating systems, server softwares like web servers, file servers, and databases. This is one of the popular model of PaaS. The fourth choice is by Delhi Jaipur bus service. Here you can choose the time, when you have to go and when you need to reach Jaipur. But you have no control on other things like stoppages, driver, petrol, fellow passengers. The bus will go in its route. You can choose a starting point and ending point, provided the ending point should match the bus route. The same thing happens in software as a service in cloud computing. In SaaS, the companies will give you all the necessary software installed along with computer configurations, networks, operating systems, databases. You have to be specific in this case while choosing. You can narrow down your choices, like you can easily demand an installed Python app based server or accounting app based server, etc. The popular companies which are providing cloud services, like the services I have talked about, the companies are Amazon EC2, Google App Engine, and Microsoft Azure. These are the popular companies who are providing services in cloud computing. I think now you have a clear idea on cloud service model, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In next video, I'll come with something else. So if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe now. Also click on the bell icon to get latest updates.